Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So if you're encountering a 5XX server error on Instagram, do not worry. This error is typically indicate issue with Instagram servers, not your device. So what you need to do is you need to restart the application. If the Instagram application is open in the background, go ahead and close it and then reopen it. You can also try logging out of your specific Instagram account and then log back in. And another thing you can do is you can check your internet connection as well. Toggle between the Wi-Fi and mobile data to ensure a stable connection, or you can also turn on the airplane mode on for a few seconds and turn it back off. Also make sure that your Instagram is updated. Open your Play Store or App Store according to your device. Use the search bar in the top, search for Instagram. And if you see an update button, something like this, which is highlighted in blue color, go ahead and select it to update it to its latest and newest version available. Or you can also try clearing the cache or reinstall. If you're using Android, go to Apps and then find Instagram. Go to Storage, click on Clear Cache, and also you can clear the data. But if you're using iPhone, you can try reinstalling the Instagram application on your device. And also check if the Instagram servers are currently experiencing an outage. For that, open Safari browser application on your device. Then after, go to downdetector.com. Then search for Instagram and see if there are any server issue. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.